Hi, I'm Robert Lisac and today I want to show you how to make a pocket stick. A pocket stick is a very cool self-defense tool. You can use a pocket stick in many different ways to strike your opponent in self-defense situations. If you take a look at this pocket stick here, you can see that it's made in a very simple way. But this is not necessarily a bad thing, because Leonardo da Vinci said that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. So if you like it simple, and if you like the approach of Leonardo da Vinci, and if you want to make such a simple pocket stick, then check out the end screen at the end of the video or check out the video description below. But because I like it also complicated, sometimes I will show you today how to make a palm stick that requires much more artwork and carving skills than for this one here. Before I start to carve a new, better and much more complicated and less sophisticated pocket stick, I want to give you the basic informations so you can also carve your own pocket stick as well. Here is how I like to shape my pocket sticks. One end will be covered by my thumb when I train and fight with it, and the other end should pop out for about 1 inch or so at the other end of the palm. So this means about 2.5 centimeters for our European viewers. For my new project and for my new pocket stick, I want to have this part here, this end of the pocket stick, flatter, because I want to use this pocket stick just to strike with downwards movements, and therefore I don't need this part here to be also shaped in a way that looks like a spike. This part will be extremely flat, and I intend to do this part here more in a thorn shaped way. I will take this new stick here to make a new pocket stick, and if you want to incorporate the bark of the stick into your pocket stick design as I did here, I strongly suggest that you take dried sticks to make this pocket stick, because if the stick is freshly cut, the bark tends to peel off very easy while you're working out or while you punching some stuff with it. This part here is too edgy for me, and I will make it more round here. So what I intend to do is to cover this gripping part of the pocket stick with different patterns, because the more patterns there are here, the better the grip will be, and a good grip will prevent the pocket stick to slip out of my hand when there will be some serious impact when I hit my target.